Have you ever looked at your pepper plants and wondered why they're just sitting there? The plants look healthy, they're green, but they're not getting much bigger and they're not producing many peppers. So if that's happening in your garden, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions gardeners have in the middle of summer. So the good news is that peppers are usually telling you exactly what they need. So once you understand how they grow, it's much easier to help them thrive. So the first reason is temperatures. Peppers love warm weather. In fact, they grow best when the days are warm and the nights stay comfortably above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So early in the season, they often seem to do very little. Then suddenly they take off once the weather seems to settle into a consistent summer warmth. So if your peppers are healthy, sometimes the best thing you can do is simply be patient and let them catch up. The second reason is too much nitrogen. So nitrogen is wonderful for growing leaves and stems, but once the pepper plants are established, too much nitrogen can give your beautiful green plants very few peppers. So when your plants are healthy and growing well, it's time to switch to a fruit and flower fertilizer that encourages blossoms, fruit set, and pepper production instead of more leaves. Now the third reason is inconsistent watering. So pepper plants don't like constantly wet soil, but they also don't like to dry out. So both extremes stress the plant and slow the production. So water deeply when needed and then let the soil begin to dry slightly before watering again. A layer of mulch keeps the soil moisture much more consistent while protecting the soil biology underneath. Healthy soil rich in organic matter also acts like a sponge, holding moisture where the roots can use it. So one of the biggest lessons I've learned over the years is that successful peppers aren't about luck. They're about creating the right conditions, warm soil, balanced nutrition, and consistent moisture, and healthy soil biology. These all work together to help the peppers thrive. So that's what the Abundance Garden system is all about. Instead of constantly chasing problems, you build a garden where the soil, the plants, and the biology all support one another. The result is healthier plants, bigger harvests, and fewer weeds in a garden that becomes easier and more enjoyable to grow. So that's exactly why I created the free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-Step Abundance Garden System. It will show you how to build the same type of system we use here on our farm, so you can grow more food with less work and create the garden of your dreams. You'll find the link for the free guide in the description below.